Hey friends and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show another example of option pane. In my previous two video I already shown you that how you can create a simple message box with a saying hello world, and then I created a simple warning message box where alert is on the top of the box in a title bar, and then a successfully update is written and a warning symbol is there. How you can use different symbols. Okay, not a warning symbol, you can also show stop symbol, start symbol. There are many lot of symbols are already available. In this video I'm doing something different. We're using option pane, and this time I changed my class name to 2. Now here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to get the input from the end user. So for that, what you have to do, let me show you out. Do the same thing which I did before, that creating an instance for your frame. Then I'm going to write string name equal to j option pane. Now actually you are going to get input from your end user, so that input will be stored into your string variable that is named name. Okay, here just I'm going to ask an end user their name. Okay, let me show you out how it will works. Okay, now write public static void main string args. This is the main method which will call first when the file is being compiled. Okay, now call the option pane 2. Now it means it just create the object for it. New option pane 2 and close all the curly braces. In my previous one just I write show message dialog, but this time I was just written show input dialog. Okay, this is a little bit difference which I did in this part of file. Just write option pane 2.java. This is my name of my class. Now open the directory. Let's just write java c dot option pane 2.java, and just write, let's remove the c from here. Yeah, this is a input boxes appeared right there. Enter name. Now you can write anything inside this box, like I'm just written my name here, and just click on OK. So this is a simple input box where you can get input from your end user and use that input into your other work.